29 feet 7 inches. Sorry, 29 feet 7 inches. This is the 240 RKD. 240 RKD. There's your show price, $56,995. Normally $88. Got some nice storage underneath, which is really cool. All right, and you do still have an outdoor kitchen, electric level system. All right, so this looks like the last bedroom that we were just in. Okay, so you've got your north and south bed. It is a queen. All right, we'll get that back to Lisa. All right, there is storage underneath.
Carpeted, very nice.
Yep. Your nightstands left and right. There's power left and right, USB. See, this one has the doors on it.
It does.
So I'm promising you, they're supposed to put doors on that other unit, and I'm sure they will, especially for whoever buys this one here.
I would tend to agree,
Okay?
yes.
Your wardrobe's over here. It's a little dark in here. Let's turn on some lights.
Oh, that's so much nicer.
We are plugged into power, and you got 3 doors as well. All right, and you also have this other little access, and I'm sure that is washer dryer prepped. Wow, love it.
At that.
Even though it's tiny, it's a half ton, you're getting a washer dryer in this thing. Yeah. All right, definitely a good place for this toilet, guys. Lots of leg room for my height at 6'4". Lots of width, so if you're fluffy, not a problem. Directly across, you've got your countertop under counter mount sink, which is stainless. You do have 3 drawers and a cabinet underneath. There we go. It's kind of hard to get it in there. It is a little bit tight in here. There's a cabinet in here for all your linens, hot water on demand. All right, nice. Yeah, basically you can see my whole self. And there's plenty of room for all the drugs. We'll climb in the shower, 30 by 36. Definitely plenty of space, especially with the way the bubble is. Again, no more, if you're standing in the bubble, no more than 6'8". Okay, 3 shelves in the front and the retractable door. Love the retractable door. All right, so let's go down here a little bit. 2 theater chairs, power. All right, so the TV's on the televator, which goes up. If you're not watching TV, obviously you can put it down so you can see out the window. Huge fireplace underneath, guys. Sound bar, really nice. Okay, over to the left, we do have our coffee bar if you want to use it on this side, which, I don't know, I guess I would put it there. There's storage in here, a little shelf, maybe hanging your jackets up or whatever. Okay, there's some shelves up here as well, and then there's some storage down here. Right, as we continue into the back, look at this, guys.
That is so much space.
Doesn't that look sleek?
Yeah.
Right, so you got your dinette that seats 4. There's 2 chairs, but there's this cool little bench, which you could pull out and I guess put there, even though those are reclined. Or if you need to, you could pull the chairs out, put the chairs here, and put that bench in front of it, and then you got like a little ottoman, so you can have 4 people there. But I love how that wood wraps all the way through.
Me too.
Isn't that sleek?
Yeah.
Right? We'll show you at least food pantry here. All right, not as solid as the gold, but there's wood wrapped all the way around, and so that would be okay. And then there's this one here as well. You've got your single basin sink right there. It's a nice L countertop, so lots of countertop space with your 3-burner stove, little oven. That's a pull down, so you can put big pots and pans, Furrion microwave. And you got a little nook up top too, so you can put some stuff up there, like knickknacks and things. Maybe it would be nicer if they went all the way up to the top, and then it would be, sort of be custom, because it's sloped right there. And then last but not least, you got your GE fridge.
Yeah, they managed to squeeze in the huge refrigerator freezer.
And then a little pull-out, freezer down at the bottom. So here you go. Yeah, 29 feet, guys. They've packed a lot into this sucker at 29 feet. Right? So yeah, I'm pretty impressed.
Me too.
Right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so if you're a couple, maybe your first time in, this would be a great couples trailer. Especially if you're a chef and you like to cook, this gives just, right? I'm really impressed with this floor plan.
Me too.
Really.